Let's talk about the elephant in the room. More specifically, the elephant in your IT closet. If I were to take a guess, one of the biggest headaches as an IT professional is those darn little UPSs. You know, the ones that support your essential servers, switches, and routers, but also the ones that are just waiting to fail and take down your entire network at 2 in the morning. Yeah. I'll go further and say that managing your fleet of UPSs is not an easy task. Keeping up with battery replacements, monitoring and reacting to faults, or just keeping up with the ever-changing power requirements of the edge can cause the most seasoned IT director to cry uncle. Worry not though, the team at CoastTec has your back. Our Comprehensive Protection Plan, or CPP for short, is the easiest, most cost-effective way to provide umbrella coverage for your UPS fleet. But how does it work? First, you purchase a bucket of service credits. CoastTec will recommend the number of service credits based on the age of your devices, service history, and your maintenance habits. Now, your fleet is covered. When you have a unit or battery fail, all you do is send us an email. CoastTec will immediately send out a replacement to your address. When it arrives, simply swap the units and ship us back your defective UPS with the provided box and prepaid label. We will deduct the appropriate amount of service credits from your bucket. But what if you don't have someone at your location to swap the units? These little guys can be quite heavy sometimes. Again, CoastTec has you covered. You can request a technician to come out and do the swap for you using additional service credits. And speaking of service credits, CoastTec's CPP service credits can roll over from year to year, so you don't have to worry about them disappearing at the end of the year. I'm sure you're curious about cost, so here's the good news. Replacing a UPS under the CPP is roughly half the cost of buying a new unit. Since you're buying umbrella coverage and not a one-for-one service contract, this is truly the most cost-effective solution. So, let's recap on why the CPP is the best solution for UPS fleet management. Firstly, one purchase order will cover your entire fleet across all locations, regardless of age or condition. Replacement UPSs and batteries can be shipped quickly and for about half the cost of what you're currently spending. Service technicians can be dispatched across the US and Canada for quick and easy on-site replacements. UPS management is simplified with our included asset tracking and remote monitoring tools. And finally, the CPP is by far the most environmentally friendly approach for UPS lifecycle management. CoastTec has been around for over 3 decades and is the only APC out-of-warranty service center in the USA. For more information and to set up a free risk assessment of your fleet, please contact your Schneider Electric certified reseller. Don't just set them and forget them.